Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto Roadshow. Let's start, let's take a look at the current prices. How is crypto doing? Well, as you can see, Bitcoin has really going up for more than a week. Also, the entire crypto market has been doing the same. A lot of alts are doing very well, are recovering, are showing high growth numbers. So it's really, we can speak of a recovery of the crypto market. You know, it's been growing more than a week already. I don't think there was any day that was really in the red. So that is good news. We'll see how it goes this week, what will happen next, if there will be a correction, more going down, or will we further go up again. I certainly hope to see the last one, because I still want to see the prices of the crypto back to when it was the beginning of January. That was a great price also to cash out some profits. So I hope it happens sooner than later. You can see that the Bitcoin price is coming around 9,000. You know, it's just below there all the time. It's trying to get there. So I hope to see that happen soon. And also the total market cap is very close to 400 billion, or just above it sometimes during the day. Now something else now. So if you are maybe a new trader, or you're already trading, but you want to take up things more in a more structural way, here are 4 questions that you could answer for yourself, enable to improve your trading strategy. So the first question is, what kind of profit are you aiming for? What is your goal? Do you want to make up a couple of thousand? You want to stay in the crypto for long term, for forever, because you believe it will be the payment system of the future? Or you want a combination? Maybe you want to become a millionaire through crypto, or you just want to have enough to pay for your house, to pay for a car. So these are all different types of goals, and these type of goals, they also decide how you should trade, what you should do, how much you should invest to have the right return on investment. So these are the first question that you could answer for yourself. What is your goal for trading? The second question for yourself is, how much are you willing to spend on crypto and on trading? The question is, what is your budget? How much money can you afford yourself? You know, because I would not invest with the money that I would need to pay my monthly costs, you know, to pay for my house or pay for food. I would not use that money. So I have to use what I have as extra money. That will be my budget. And for you, you know, you might think of things that you might want to invest, you know, maybe you want to work some more and they have more money to invest, but at least figure out how much do you actually have to invest and to trade. And from that perspective, you can further work out your plan and how you should trade with that money. The third question is, how much time do you give your investment? What is your planning, you know, what is your time frame? Will you give it a lot of time? Are you a patient person? You know, are you able to wait it out for some long time? You know, will you trade, or will you stay long in crypto for a couple of years maybe? Or do you prefer the short-term trading, you know, within the same day? Or maybe you want to look at it like you trade every week or every 2 weeks, or maybe every couple of months. So this is also something that you should, you know, consider for yourself. You have a goal, you have a certain budget, but how much time do you want to give it? If you need 10 years just to make like $1,000 extra of crypto, it's not really worth all the, you know, the trouble. It might be better to do something else. But if you have, like, if you want to make 1,000 within a 1 week, so then it can be very interesting, very profitable. But of course, when you think you can make like 10,000 in a couple of months, that's also, you know, that's great amount of money. So the question really is, if you combine your plan, your goal, and your budget, and how much time do you have to give it? Maybe you need the money, your investment, Maybe you need it in the future for something else, for some big investment that you want to make. So you also have to think about those things, think about the future and think if you need that money at some point in time where you have to cash it out, and you have to think about the risk that the value could be low right at that moment. For instance, if you would need the money last month, like February, March, it would be like a very bad phase to need the money back because the value was dropped so much. So this is an important aspect of the trading. So the last question, number 4, is at what price are you willing to sell your investment to get your return on investment back? Because these prices, they really move around a lot. They go up a lot and they go down a lot. And the question is, what is your selling price? At what profit will you take it? Because what happens if Bitcoin becomes 20,000 like tomorrow already, or within a week? What will you do? Will you say, I'm satisfied because this was my goal, and now I will take my money because it was an investment and I have my return on investment? Or will you say, I will keep it longer with another expectation that I want to sell it at 50,000? So planning the price, your expected price, helps you to stay cool during all kinds of price movements. Because you can see that crypto can go up like 20 or 50% or even 100% in a day. And you might be tempted to sell if you don't have a vision yourself of the price in the future, what you expect. And then the danger is that you sell too soon. I mean, how many people have bought Bitcoin for a couple of dollars and they sold it later for maybe $100, thinking that was the right move? While if they waited a couple of years, the price right now, with like 9K, they would be a millionaire. So these are really important things to ask yourself, important questions. It will help you to work more structurally, to plan it and to stay cool at the right time, and to take in the right profits when you have your own plan set. You're not just going along with the emotions of the market. So these are the 4 questions I have that you could answer for yourself if you have not done that yet. That's it for today. See you next time and good luck on crypto trading.